Hello guys. Today we'll learn more about shading. In the last video, we have learned about normals, right? So normals play a big role in shading. So here you can see there is a cube, there is a light source, and there is a camera. Okay, and cube has this square shape faces. Six faces are there, which are square shape. So what is a shading first of all? In 2D, you have seen that artists used to gray some part of the picture to give a 3D effect. Okay. So similarly in this Blender, okay, shading means how the light interact with the faces. Okay. So here you can see since this is a six face, when I put light, suppose let me bring the light source. This is plane. Okay, the role of plane is to give a shadow, because since this is a 3D space, there was no plane earlier, the shadow wouldn't have created. So now when I put the plane here and I move to the render preview, you can see the shadow is created on the plane. Now you can see that only the light surface interact with this big face. Okay, and the faces facing the light surface, other faces are not interacting with this light source, and the shadow generated is similar to the structure of the cube. Okay, and it is only interact with two faces. Now if I, let me hide this cube and bring a sphere. If I bring a UV sphere, you can see there are lot of faces here. Okay, and it is interacting with lot of, this light source is interacting with lot of faces, and the image created is smaller as compared to the cube. Okay, so now the shading, what it does is, when i I select the UV sphere and shade smooth. Okay, so now you can see the image, the shadow of this image got more smoother, because the light is interacting with this UV sphere uniformly. But when I choose to say, come back to the original structure, I choose right click and shade flat. Okay, now you can see the UV sphere shadow is little bit rough as compared to the previous shadow. So this is how the number of faces plays a role when interacting with the light. So the more number of faces, the smoother will be the shadow, and it will give a realistic view of the object. Okay, so this feature I have been doing in the version 4.0.2. Okay, there are some new features which will be added in the next version, so which I'll keep you updating. Thank you.